What's up, besties? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kama. And on today's video, it's a very awesome, interesting one because it's the day I'm moving out of this house, and I'm so excited about it. At least I'm not going to stay in the ground floor anymore anytime. I'm moving out to the fourth floor into a 2-bedroom house, and I'm so excited because now I will have all the space that I want, and I can't just wait to show you everything around. So actually nimefika leo from the travel that I had gone to Malindi, and today I've decided kwanza nifuliwe nguo kidogo because the super drum ilikuwa na maji and I didn't want kumwaga hiyo maji yote. And then rangi ndo inamaliziwa kupakwa. Actually it is only take like 30 minutes ikauke. Some people that are going to come and help me carry this stuffs of mine to my new house, and I'm so excited about the whole process, and I can't just wait to a point where I'll finish up everything, then we can Wi-Fi, and then I can do my stuffs all there again. And I'm like, oh god, I'm just so excited. I lack words in expressing what I'm feeling right now, and I'm just grateful. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, as it helps in the channel to grow. And hope this video ikubambe. Okay. Been washed for the clothes. Nakuja kuanua the shoes and my clothes over here, and oh my god, I don't know whether it's change of climate or what. Like I feel some tonsils, headache, and I don't know, I just feel so tired. Let's just do it anyway. Becoming worse and worse, and I have to go to the hospital. So yeah, I just want to go to the hospital, and then that's it. So I'm just opening this so that nijue. I just nataka tu nidungwe sindano, and then it will be okay. Yeah, and take something to eat. Yeah, I just feel so tired, sickly, and I don't want izidi kwe mingi. So that's it. So I just need to go take something to be checked. this is like 3 days later. I don't have the drip. Yeah, ilitolewa. So I went to the hospital and I was sick, tonsilliasis. It's caused by climate change, and I'm feeling much better despite ile kufunikana sometimes, and it's allowed. And anyway, I have nothing much to say on that. Just a quick recovery to me, wish me. And it's so cold, so that's why you can see a duvet over here. Yeah, like where I have to watch when on my duvet juu baridi yenye iko huku ni mingi sana. Actually hata July sinakonga ni msimu ya baridi, so it's not by nini ati ifai kuwa na baridi. And I moved out of the house very well, and those people charged me like 1,000 kuleta vitu from my ground to up, and anyway it was fair though. Kuhama inakuanga like lazima tu, it's costly, and that's why I usually tell anyone, kama unahama make sure ni unahama uendi kukat ati useme you stay ground floor ati kutapata mtu, you'll use double expense. So move to the house that unajua utakaa before uhame tena. I don't have those episodes of you showing you niki move out vizuri, nikipanga. I was alone and that time I was sick, so I wouldn't manage to do all that. But so far so good. I've arranged the house despite kupanga nguo. But I'm going to do that tomorrow. And maybe when you're going to see this video, I've already pangad the nguo mpaka kufua. Nitakuwa nishaenda kuzianua, cause actually nilifuliwa mara ya pili, because the first person mwenye alinifulia vibaya, and she was expensive na alinifulia vibaya. So I had another one akakuja, she repeated the same clothes again. Yeah, she was average poa na akanifanya job fiti. Yeah, she did the cleanup, because you take even washing dishes for me, because I had the drip, so I wouldn't do anything. Paka kuoga imekonga tu ni shida. And so kesho I'll just go anua, kupanga kiasi. Yeah, that's it. After I'm done, then I can take you on a house tour before I do any makeover. And if you are interested in those kinds of videos, kindly do subscribe and hit that notification bell, so anytime I upload a video, you'll always be the first one to see it. Nothing much to say, just telling you bye. Toodles. Bye.